Welcome to Silhouette America. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a chemist's bag using the smooth heat transfer material like this one. So to get started, the first thing that you want to do is figure out the size of your bag and then how big you want your design to be. For mine, I want my design, my heart, to be 8 by about 11.5 inches. So after you figured out the size you want, then you're going to want to go to your page settings and change your document size, because we are going to be using the smooth heat transfer material, which is 9 inches wide, and then I'm going to give some leeway for the length, and then place your design on the document, and then make sure that you change your cutting mat to none, because you do not need to use a cutting mat. And then once you're done with that, then you can go to cut settings, and then you want to change your material to smooth heat transfer material, and then you'll notice that you won't need a cutting mat and that you should change your blade to 2. And then another thing to be aware of is if you are using text, you will want to mirror your design horizontally so that when you go to iron your design onto your bag, it will read correctly. But since I'm not using text or anything, I don't need to mirror my image. Now that the document is all ready to be cut, change the blade to 2, and since the heat transfer material is 9 inches wide, we want to make sure to put the roller to the very far left notch by using the blue lever on the right side. Select load media instead of load cutting mat and line up the heat transfer material and hit enter to load. Now that the heat transfer material is loaded, all you have to do is hit cut. After it is all done cutting, select enter to unload. And then the next thing that you'll want to do is grab the silhouette hook to weed out the part you don't want. In this case, it will be the outside of the heart, so it won't be too much to do. Once you have your design all weeded, you are set to transfer it onto your bag, and then turn on your iron and do not set it to higher than 300 degrees, which is usually higher than the cotton setting. So next you will want to place your design on your project with the heat transfer material side down so that you see it through the clear transfer sheet. Now place a cloth over the design and place the heated iron on top, pressing firmly into the design for about 45 to 60 seconds, and then repeat this process until the entire design is pressed. Now that everything has been pressed, remove the iron and cloth and gently peel off the transfer sheet. If by any chance the transfer material is sticking to the transfer sheet, replace the cloth and iron in that area again. Once you're all done with that, your project should look something like this, and that is how to use the smooth heat transfer material. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.